everybody, I'm Emily. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have been driving to Guizhou province, and now this is the ethnic group road. In the last episode of my van life, the bed structure has broken, and we just fixed it and bought two other bed board, and now it's ready. So we're just getting the project. And because we didn't change the seats of the car, instead we bought the bed car extension version. Guess what? It has so many advantages. Like firstly, it's very flexible, and it's very tough. So if you just screw this to the seat, it won't move, even though it's the car is just driving on the highway or off-road. And the blue one is actually the window shield. Like what, when we just turn on the lights, especially in the evening, so the people outside can look through the windows and see what we are doing, cooking or something. So we have to be very privacy conscious. And now it's our living room with so many cute cushions. I really enjoy the vibe and the cuteness, but sometimes it really took up the space. Anyway, now we're going to just rebuild the bed structure and accomplish the reinforcement. Sorry for my pronunciation. It's the stainless steel structure. Now everything is perfect. We won't just sit on the bed and then it suddenly crack. For this wood, actually it's the rubber wood, but the pattern and the appearance are not as good as some woods like beech. But this beach merchandise told us that if you buy this one, it cannot just resist the humidity and the climate change. And in my city, it's always raining, so it's always wet. We have to take this into consideration. And now it's done. The living room to the bedroom. For the small corners, we are going to strengthen it so that it won't crack and also hurt us. Actually, many people have asked about us, why not just change it for a bigger van with side sliding doors. Oh my god, side sliding doors are dreams, but we haven't found a suitable van which can navigate easily in the city area, can be parked in the underground garage, and also is a MPV. So it's really hard. If you have any recommendations, maybe we can change it for that dream, right? Then now what we're doing is to hold up a desk, the extended task, using the stainless steel structure, because sometimes it rains, right? It rains, so we have to cook inside and also do some work using our computers, so it can use the board to hold up the desk. These days, we are traveling in Guizhou province. It's a province which has diverse landscapes. So if you would like to travel to China, maybe this place is your choice, and you can experience the cultures of different ethnic minorities. Price for everything is super cheap. Like I can say, the half of that in Beijing or Shanghai. Finally, if you are interested in the van life, you can give us a like and subscribe. I will be super grateful for that. And that's for today, and bye bye.